What's up, guys? Welcome to day one of 100 days of LinkedIn. So today I want to talk about what's the most effective way ultimately to use LinkedIn to, connect with recruiters and, find a job. I guess the simplest way to say it is that, recruiters are getting connection requests all the time. So the most obvious thing, of course, is to send a connection request to a recruiter. But I want to go back a step and just really consider that, make your actual profile pop a little bit. And the way that your profile pops is by, underlining what your, top level experience is. So if you have 10 years in software engineering, then put 10 plus years in software engineering right at the top of your damn profile. That's number one. Number two, when you send a connection request to a potential recruiter, make it stand out, make it something snappy and irreverent. So what that means is don't just say, hey, I'm interested in looking for work, can you help me? That is the standard response. You might not get a response back because it just sounds like everybody else's. So really try and think about how to make your profile pop and how to send an irreverent, quirky or interesting actual connection request.